Morning, ladies. Let's see. It's weird. Another weird one. It is said to test an egg. If it floats, it's bad. If it sinks, it's good. For 2 years, we've had chickens. We've never had green eggs. And today, we have 2. So let's test. Test egg number 1. It sinks. Very good. Egg number 2 hits the bottom. And egg number 3, the last egg we cracked open, had 2 yolks on the inside and it was bad. And it sinks. That's pretty cool.
Is it a myth?
Actually, I've had eggs that float before. This is so trippy. This egg has pimples. It's almost like the egg has been colored. Look at that.
April Fools. I'm kidding.
Yeah. Well, that's a good one. That chicken got us with a good one. April Fools it is. Well, how about that, eh? You don't see that every day.